Press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss a video from News Laundry.
नमस्कार, प्रस्तुत है आज के समाचार। आज के समाचारों में मैं मनीषा देवी वोकल्स पे, आकाश बैनर्जी कीबोर्ड पे, न्यूज़ का विस्तार तबले में देते हुए मास्टर निक्कू और थाली पीटते हुए मेघनाद। तो प्रस्तुत है आज के समाचार। तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए, भले बुरे सारे कर्मों को देखे और दिखाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए। यही देवता यही ईश्वर, इनसे बड़ा न कोई, इनसे कोई बात छुपे ना, डिजिटल ऐप्स भी रोई, जग से चाहे भाग ले कोई, इनसे भाग न पाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए। जोर से बोलो,
जय मोदी जी,
मोदी मोदी,
जय मोदी जी,
जय मोदी जी,
जय मोदी जी।
मैं नहीं सुनिया।
सचमुच सचमुच
मोदी जी आ गए।
इतनी प्रसन्नता होती है ऐसे खबरें देते हुए, मतलब दिल को शांति मिल जाती है और
शांति की शांति।
लोगों को न्यूज़ भी मिल ही जाती होगी।
There's news, there's sense, and there's nuisance. This show is all about that last bit. Welcome to our 100th episode. Yay! We've had a century thanks to all your love and support and the likes and even some galis. Thanks for all of it. This episode is going to be special because in this episode we'll be doing something special. Instead of talking only about all the Nautanki we saw last week, we'll also talk about the guys who make this Nautanki possible.
Now, many of you have been consuming news for years. Some of you have probably recently developed this bad habit. Have you noticed it change?
Layoffs, firing, newspapers and platforms shutting down except the ones who believe in bhakti. Ever wondered why? Let me tell you. You see, news costs money. Surprise, no? It's a very expensive operation. It's not simply a person sitting and writing anything जैसे कोई WhatsApp forward पेल रहा हो.
In all fairness, considering some of the amazing knowledge imparted by news anchors and reporters these days, I'm not so sure about what is fake and what is a WhatsApp forward.
Shaoxia Sergeant Major Yi Jun Ji Sheng Brigade
And Zheng Wu Tao Yi Kong He,
Yes.
Zi
Feng
Yong,
Chin,
Gu Kang, Tan Feng, Zhu Chin, Ren Lu Yin, Tian Zi.
Point तो है. Some news shows are like physical representations of WhatsApp forwards by our favorite Uncle G's and comment sections of YouTube videos. Not our videos though. Leave your comments niche and tell us how much you like us. And no Binod. Anyway, news is not supposed to be like a WhatsApp forward or a YouTube comment. It's based on robust and thorough research, fact-checking, groundwork, editing, and then creating a report. This can require travel, time, many people working around the clock. And all that costs money.
Money that ads give, क्योंकि आपके 2-5 रुपए से अखबार नहीं चलता. And your subscription, which is between 50 rupees and 3 rupees on Tata Sky and all these, that also cannot even pay the studio lights ka bill. Which is why you have this.
उत्तर प्रदेश की योगी सरकार के 100 दिन पूरे हुए। मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ को अंदाजा है कि महिलाओं को सुरक्षित माहौल दिया जाए तो उनको आगे बढ़ने से कोई रोक नहीं सकता। उसी का असर है कि इस साल उत्तर प्रदेश में 10वीं और 12वीं की छात्राओं ने काफी अच्छे नंबर भी हासिल किए हैं।
funding news is a legacy problem, one that we are trying to solve at News Laundry. But ads funding hate is a different problem altogether. It's a fundamental crisis of basic human values and acceptable social norms. ये न्यूज़ की दुकान में जो जहर बिक रहा है उसमें हम सब मारे जाएंगे, त्रिवेदी भी नहीं बचेगा.
So all this hate, ये जिहादी, ये नौटंकी, ये जय सिया राम, ये मादर फादर गाली गलौच that you see on television is made possible by big brands and वड्डे advertisers. For example, सुधीर को ले लो.
देख लो, राम मंदिर बन गया लेकिन इनके जहर में कोई कमी नहीं आई.
मंदिर गिराकर बाबरी मस्जिद बनाई गई थी, आज उसी स्थान पर फिर से भव्य राम मंदिर की नींव रख दी गई.
जिस जगह पे मंदिर गिरा के मस्जिद बनाई गई थी, मतलब मस्जिद गिराने की बात तो भाई साहब ने इरेज ही कर दी. ऐसा तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं था हमारी हिस्ट्री में. दिस गाय इज द सेम गाय हु वाज शोइंग अस जिहाद चार्ट्स अ फ्यू मंथ्स अगो. He spread fake news. His channel has spread fake news. He's targeted students based on manipulated videos.
अरे मनीषा, ये तुम्हारे पास ऐसा कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आया है. तिहाड़ का चक्कर लगा के आए हैं. फुल टू कॉन्फिडेंस है. इन सब से कोई फायदा नहीं पड़ेगा. बोलते रहो तुम, बोलते रहो.
True. While the country suffers a pandemic, economic slowdown, floods, migrant crisis, this man will only tell us every night how Ram is in our DNA and how Modi ji is in our RNA. Thanks to his sponsors.
असली बात. Sponsored by Bharat Matrimony and Amity University, co-powered by Super Shakti, Fortune Rice Brand Health, Century Laminates.
भारत मैट्रिमोनी, ये कैसा रिश्ता कर लिया आपने? How much ever we shame सुधीर जी, how much ever we call him out, उनकी दुकान को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. Thanks to these sponsors who fuel his nightly hate mongering. As for you viewers, अगर आप राम से बोर हो गए हो तो रिया SSR तो है ही.
और आज मैं आप लोगों के दिमाग का पेच टाइट करूंगा. कहते हैं कि सुशांत सिंह की केस जरूरी नहीं है. दोस्तों खोल लो मैं फोन लाइन कि सुशांत सिंह की केस जरूरी नहीं है. कहते हैं. This is a question I have. I want to ask quote unquote Bollywood.
I can't.
What has happened to you?
I'm not responsible.
What has happened to you? Sushant Singh Rajput's family is being brutally attacked by the Maharashtra government. Are you so scared of the Maharashtra government, the biggies of Bollywood? Are you so scared? Are you so lily-livered? Are you such cowards that even now you won't speak?
Don't forget that media has brought in front of the whole country the testimonies and evidences which Mumbai police should have been. What is politics about it? If you have not done anything, you should be ready for not a CBI investigation. You should be ready for an investigation by the FBI, by the Interpol. Why are you shying away from these investigations?
हैं? FBI? Interpol? अब लगे हाथ ना UN और स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड को भी बुला लेते हैं. और कोई रह गया भैया? बता दो. और कोई रह गया?
सहारनपुर पुलिस.
ओके ले आओ भाई. और कोई?
टिंटिन, टॉमसन एंड टॉमसन, सिंघम.
तीनों को ले आओ. और कोई बच्चा है? और कोई बच्चा है? ले आओ.
स्पेस फोर्स, जेडाई ऑर्डर, डम्बलडोर आर्मी.
ओके ले आओ. जेडाई ले आओ, अवेंजर ले आओ, डम्बलडोर आर्मी उसको भी ले आओ. हैं? इनफ. अब तू नहीं बचेगा अर्नब. चारों तरफ से सुपर हीरोज ने तुझे घेर लिया है. दिस तमाशा ब्रॉट टू यू बाय Amity University again, powered by Softovac, Century Laminates again, and RP Sanjeev Goenka Group. और अगर आप अर्नब के तमाशे से बोर हो गए हो तो there is always his former news channel to watch out for, Times Now.
Viewers, let me tell you something that has happened today that is extremely unsavory.
I mean, I'm watching you, RSS. That itself is quite unsavory. But go on.
Riya Chakravarti has decided that she wants Times Now gagged.
Who's going to tell him?
You tell him?
No, I think you should tell him.
I think Abhinandan should do the honors.
यार RSS, Riya has not moved court to gag you. She has moved court to gag the media because she believes she's getting an unfair media trial. This may be applicable for all news media and journalists, but it won't be applicable to you because to gag you, one has to either approach the municipality or these people, the food safety regulators, क्योंकि selling करारे चने in unhygienic conditions is a cognizable offense.
RSS के करारे चने presented by Kent RO, driven by Kia Sonet, co-powered by Century Laminates, Star Health Insurance. If you thought these guys should get the award for sponsoring the biggest shit show on Indian TV, watch the same channel, different anchor.
This letter was written in front of Ria. Why don't I ask you another question? Was Ria making allegations against Priyanka to sour the relationship? She had a goal. It's a question anybody will ask. It's a logical question. Whether this was before or after can determine what is the position Ria did. You know, women can be possessive. It's been seen in Indian families that you know, the wife or the girlfriend doesn't really like too much of the man's relationships with his own family. It's happened. All our Saas Bahu serials are made of it.
No, Navika, that's not a natural or a logical question. Definitely not for a journalist. But I forget, you're not one. ऐसा हम नहीं कह रहे हैं, ऐसा दुनिया कहती है. There's an afternoon slot on news channels called Saas Bahu or Sazish, which is a show about family soaps in the afternoon. अब ये बात प्राइम टाइम न्यूज़ तक पहुंच गई है. You know, न्यूज़ का आजकल इतना बुरा हाल कर दिया ना आजकल की मॉडर्न फीमेल्स ने. कल ही मेरी ननद बोल रही थी कि सासू माँ जी ने बोला कि टीवी न्यूज़ चैनल्स पे औरतें साड़ी पहन के इंग्लिश में खिटपिट करती हैं.
और छोटी बहू ने कहा आहा.
और सासू माँ ने बोला ओहो हो.
और फिर ससुर ने बोला
करारे ले चने लोटियंस, करारे ले चने.
And this is what they call news. Co-presented by Century Laminates, driven by Kia Sonet, co-powered by Kent Aro. Are you noticing a pattern here, Akash?
2-3 नाम हैं जो बार बार आते रहते हैं. Amity University and Century Laminates. Amity is the name sponsor on DNA and The Debate. Apparently they also have a journalism school. सेंचुरी लैमिनेट्स और केंट आरो ने तो लगता है टाइम्स नाउ का पूरा पागलपन स्पॉन्सर करने का बेड़ा लेकर रखा है.
Now, you can't simply look at this as a one-off case about Ria or SSR. There's a pattern here that you should note. These channels constantly thrive on getting people to hate on someone. Every debate, they choose a target. Muslims in India, Umar Khalid, JNU, Shaheen Bagh, Biryani, opposition, any opposition to Modi. Now that same formula fits into the SSR case. First they wanted you to hate on Karan Johar. Now it's Ria, Kala Jadugarni wali Ria that they want you to hate on.
You know, आपके लाइफ में जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, बॉस आपका बंबू लगा रहा है, आपकी सरकार वाट लगा रही है, जिंदगी ने आपकी लेके रखी है, तो आपको बस एक ही बात और एक ही काम करना है. शाम को जाओ टीवी न्यूज ऑन करो, एक टारगेट चुन लो, जो टारगेट बाय द वे एंकर्स ने आपके लिए चुन के रखा है, और उस पे अपना सारा भड़ास और सारा फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकाल दो. उसके बाद बोलो सब चंगा सी.
Prime Time Studios is where we vomit our venom. The next time you watch this poisonous content on news, remember to call out the sponsors. Note these names down. Take screenshots and send them to us. We need to alert these guys. We need to tell them that what we want from our news and our news channels is news, not a new target every night to hate on.
The great thing about ads is that it is a revenue delivery mechanism. Let me give you an example of the cigarette industry. पहले वो कहते थे कि सुट्टा पीने से कोई हेल्थ को हार्म नहीं होता, कोई एडिक्शन नहीं होती. Then as seen in the film The Insider, which I suggest you watch, based on the true story of a whistleblower, like असली में true, not हमारे news channels WhatsApp वाला true, सच्ची मुच्ची वाला. This whistleblower, Jeffrey Wigand, who News Laundry had got for a lecture to India 7 years ago, you can check it out on the website, he revealed that the cigarette is a nicotine delivery mechanism. Something the tobacco industry, which was a huge advertiser across media platforms, had been denying. The idea is to deliver nicotine to you, a substance that is now acknowledged as addictive, like ads have become for news. तो पैसा news platform तक पहुंचाने का एक जरिया है और ads वो जरिया है. So ads are basically a revenue delivery mechanism. Now who has the most money? अगर मुकेश भाई को छोड़ दें, so various governments and सरकार्स around the country have the most money. Let me give you an example. देखिए, ये हो गया बाघेल जी का एड, फुल पेज, मोदी जी का विद मध्य प्रदेश चीफ मिनिस्टर, सरकार बनी नहीं, एड ऑलरेडी आ गया है, फुल पेज. ये देखिए, अरे वाह, ये तो एवरी द कॉर्पोरेट जर्नी, दिस इज बाय आर.के. सिंह, ये भी क्वार्टर पेज से थोड़ा ज्यादा. अरे आम आदमी पार्टी के पीछे केजरीवाल तो फुल फ्रंट पेज का एड देते हैं हर अखबार में. अच्छा, ये क्यों पीछे रहे मिस्टर रावत, त्रिवेंद्र सिंह रावत, क्योंकि उत्तराखंड के एड तो दिल्ली के अखबार में तो आना ही चाहिए. अच्छा, लेट मी सी हु इज लेफ्ट. Yogi ji, why can Yogi ji be far behind? Yogi ji gives full page ads, lots of them. Modi ji फिर आ गए, because without Modi ji no newspaper is complete. Baghel ji उन्हें बोला चलो केजरीवाल दे रहा है, मैं भी full front page ad देता हूँ, ठीक है? फिर Yogi ji, of course, like I said, the front page ads of Yogi ji never stop, and that's why you see he gets very nice coverage also. He's always the best chief minister of the country and stuff like that. अच्छा, कर्नाटका क्यों पीछे रहे? तो येडियुरप्पा ने बोला ये लो मेरा भी half page ad. I will see your quarter page and raise you to a half page. रविशंकर प्रसाद ने बोला मेरी भी फोटो लगाओ यार. तो which this is ICE telecom operators. चलो इन्होंने बोली चलो इनका भी लगा देते हैं. So basically, as you can see, I have made my point. But the best ad I liked is गेहलोत जी ने बोला हम के पीछे रह जाए, हम भी दे देते हैं ad. और हमारे ad का क्या होगा ना? हमारे ad का tagline होगी राजस्थान सतर्क है. So alert that he did not know that his sarkar was being shafted from the back while he was giving ads. Rajasthan satark hai. So this is what ads do for you.
That was intense.
और सब ये पुलाव खा के खुश हैं क्योंकि जब कद्दू कटेगा तो सब में बटेगा.
Let's take the example of COVID. जब COVID lockdown हुआ, millions of labor who were left high and dry by an overnight announcement were walking to their homes because our sarkar plans very well. So, while some states were cancelling trains to take them home, some were charging poor labor money for train tickets. Guess what the sarkar was doing? Our sarkar was spending its money not on train tickets, but on taking out ads for these migrants in media, including English language media. कौन सा लेबर अंग्रेजी का न्यूज़पेपर खरीद के अंग्रेजी का एड पढ़ता होगा? सोचा है कभी?
गरीबदास कितना किलोमीटर चले होंगे हम आज?
देखो 22वें किलोमीटर पे तो लल्लू का निधन हो गया था. 32वें किलोमीटर पे मुन्नी बीमार हो गई, वहीं पड़ी तो 40 किलोमीटर तो चल लिए होंगे.
ठीक है. आज वैसे खाने का क्या इंतजाम है? वैसे
हम गए थे कुछ लेने, कुछ मिला नहीं, लेकिन हम एक अखबार खरीद के ले आए.
अरे बढ़िया है.
हाँ.
क्या फायदा इसका गरीबदास? क्या फायदा?
अरे लखू अखबार में लिखा है Dear migrant laborers and daily wage earners, the country stands with you. Hurrah!
Amazing. An advertisement. It's our native language.
In a paper we all read.
Amazing. Modi ji Zindabad. And this is such a well thought out thing by the visionary leadership of our country. While we are on this desperate journey home, this is exactly what we need, Garibdas.
Because, Lakhu, the good thing about being destitute is there's always time for a cup of tea and reading a newspaper in your native tongue for you.
Amazing.
He goes on to say,
yes,
Dear migrant laborers and daily wage earners, the country stands with you. Hurrah, God bless the Queen. The corona pandemic has brought many changes in the world. These tough times have made a massive impact on your livelihoods. To help you recover, Garibdas, sorry, Lakhu is your name, I believe, a package of rupees 1,01,500 crore. How much is that in million?
Amazing.
We'll check on our calculator. Has been allocated under MGREGA.
Manrega.
Oh, is that the scheme for us?
The scheme for us.
I wonder if what's his name has got this ad.
Karan Thapar.
Because he's without a job.
He's also destitute like
Yes,
us.
all of us are
Amazing.
Yes,
God save Modi ji. God save this
I am
country.
so glad he has brought this ad out for us. Modi ji is truly great.
गरीबदास लक्कू, मैं चाय लाई हूँ NGO से, शेयर कर लो.
Chai. Can I get a muffin with this? Can I get and some cake?
Now, the only other way you can honorably fund the public service of news is by dying. I kid you not. Now, see this page, the obituary page, does more to fund news than many of you healthy, wealthy, and alive people. This page with all these dead people, may God bless their souls, do more to sustain and support news than many of you do. When my grandmother died about 8 years ago, I paid approximately, I think, 40 or 44,000 rupees for a slot that big. Now, the slightly bigger slots go for lakhs. So, the dead are doing more to find news than you guys who are sitting and cribbing about it, earning well and are alive. Which is why we say, pay to keep news free while you're alive. Don't wait for death.
That's right. Pay to keep news free. Support newslaundry.com. Those of you who don't know what we do, please log on to newslaundry.com. We don't just do this fun nautanki, fun critique, fun things. We also do a lot of original reporting. We've been reporting on the Delhi riots very diligently. We also have podcasts, we have interviews, so we do a lot of things. We are a full-fledged news platform, but the difference is that we don't take advertisements. We don't take any ads at all. So what we do need is for you guys to support us. Log on to newslaundry.com/subscription. Subscribe to News Laundry. It's as little as 300 rupees a month. So please, while you're alive, help news. That's all the nuisance we have for you this week. We'll be back next week. Thank you so much for watching us and liking us. I think this 100th episode is a contribution of all of you also. So thank you once again. And of course, happy Independence Day to everyone. स्वतंत्रता की बहुत बहुत बधाई. स्वतंत्रता दिवस के दिन स्वतंत्र मीडिया को प्लीज सपोर्ट करें. And of course, stay mad. That's the only way. Thank you so much guys for watching that episode. A big thank you to Akash Banerjee, Bhakt Banerjee for gracing our 100th episode with his presence. Guys, please check out all the work that he does. He has a fabulous YouTube channel. Of course, subscribe to newslaundry.com. Some of you asked us questions on why we got ads on our previous episode on YouTube. I just want to clarify that we are not monetizing that video. We used some music in that video, some bhajans. So the companies that own that bhajan, that own the copyright for that bhajan are monetizing that video. So the money is going to them, it's not coming to us. Because we don't take ads at all and we don't monetize our YouTube videos. Like we said in the video, we're completely ad-free. We depend on you guys. So please step up, do your bit on Happy Independence Day and support independent media.